Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best beach wagons is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for anyone who loves spending time by the sea, effortlessly transporting your chairs, umbrellas, coolers, and all your beach day necessities from the car to the sand, making your seaside adventures significantly more enjoyable and less of a chore, ensuring you can focus on relaxation and fun rather than struggling with heavy loads. Number 5. Rio Beach Wonder Wheeler Deluxe Cart. Introducing the Wonder Wheeler Deluxe, your perfect partner for beach days. This versatile cart is designed to carry everything you need for a fun day out. Navigate sand, grass, and dirt with ease. Its 10 rubber tread wheels provide exceptional mobility, making it simple to pull wherever your adventure takes you. Don't leave anything behind. This heavy-duty cart boasts a generous capacity, capable of holding up to 100 pounds of your essentials. Stay organized with a large mesh pouch for towels and toys. Plus, a special insulated compartment keeps your drinks refreshingly cold all day long. Need to take some items with you? It comes with a removable tote bag featuring a shoulder strap, perfect for carrying your personal belongings separately. This cart is built for convenience, holding a large cooler and up to 4 beach chairs. Enjoy your day without the hassle of carrying heavy items. What we like? This wagon is designed for maximum convenience on your beach day. It features an insulated compartment to keep your drinks cool and a large mesh pouch for all your essentials. If you're looking for a wagon that can carry everything you need for a comfortable day by the water, this is a great choice. What people say. The wagon is easy to assemble and folds up compactly for storage. It has a large capacity and can hold a lot of gear, making it perfect for beach trips. The wide wheels are designed to handle sand easily, preventing it from getting stuck. Number 4. Portal Heavy-Duty Folding Wagon Cart. Navigate any surface with ease. Its large all-terrain wheels are designed to conquer sand, pavement, and more, making transport effortless. Enjoy smooth pushing and pulling thanks to the 360-degree rotating front wheels. Maneuvering this wagon is incredibly convenient. The telescoping handle adjusts from 26 to 32.5 inches and can pivot. It's designed to make carrying loads like laundry or groceries much easier. Made from durable 600D Oxford fabric with a mesh bottom, cleaning is as simple as a rinse. Plus, 2 cup holders keep your essentials close. Built with a strong steel frame, it boasts an impressive static load capacity of 450 pounds. This wagon is ready to carry all your gear for any outdoor adventure. Set up and fold down this wagon in just a second. Its compact folded size makes storage and transport incredibly convenient. What we like? Navigate any surface with ease thanks to its all-terrain wheels and convenient adjustable handle. This wagon is built to handle everything from sandy beaches to grocery store aisles. If you need a versatile helper for various tasks and terrains, this is the one for you. What people say. The wagon is sturdy and can hold a lot of gear. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The large wheels make it easy to pull on sand. Number 3. VIVOSUN Collapsible Folding Wagon. Introducing the VIVOSUN Folding Wagon, designed for ultimate convenience. It's your perfect companion for any outdoor adventure, from the beach to camping trips. This wagon boasts a large capacity, capable of holding up to 350 pounds. Its heavy-duty frame and waterproof, tear-resistant fabric ensure it can handle tough conditions. Keep your essentials close with built-in side pockets and cup holders. Everything you need is within easy reach, making your outings more enjoyable. Navigate any terrain with ease thanks to the adjustable handle and silent, 360-degree swivel wheels. It moves smoothly over sand, grass, and pavement with minimal noise. When not in use, it folds down compactly with one hand for effortless storage and transport. It's designed to save you time and space, wherever you go. The adjustable handle locks securely, preventing unwanted movement. Plus, the wheels feature brakes for added stability on slopes, ensuring safety. What we like? Experience smooth and quiet transport over any surface with its silent, 360-degree swivel wheels and secure locking handle. The waterproof fabric ensures durability and easy maintenance. If you prioritize a quiet, stable, and easy-to-manage experience, especially on soft sand, this wagon is an excellent option. What people say. This wagon is perfect for hauling gear to the beach. It has large, wide wheels that roll easily over sand. The wagon folds up compactly for easy storage and transport. It's surprisingly spacious when unfolded. The sturdy construction means it can handle a good amount of weight without issue. The handle is comfortable to grip. Number 2. Originsure 220L Collapsible Wagon Cart. Experience incredible storage with a massive 7.69 cubic feet of space, perfect for all your adventures. When not in use, it folds down compactly, easily fitting into your car trunk or any corner. Built to last, this heavy-duty cart boasts a robust all-metal frame with a static load capacity of up to 460 pounds. Its double-layer Oxford fabric ensures durability and stability for all your gear. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to its large, all-terrain wheels that offer flexible steering and smooth rolling. The front wheels feature brakes for secure stopping and stability. Enjoy enhanced stability and control with its innovative steering mechanism. The adjustable handle can be customized to your preferred height for comfortable use. Get started right away with no assembly required. It comes with convenient accessories like a side pocket, cup holders, a storage cover, and a strap for added functionality. We stand behind our product with a 12-month warranty and 24/7 online customer support. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This wagon boasts an exceptionally large capacity, perfect for hauling a significant amount of gear. Its robust all-metal frame and innovative steering mechanism provide superior stability and durability. If you have large loads to transport and demand the utmost stability, this heavy-duty option is ideal. What people say. The wagon is easy to assemble and folds up compactly for storage. It has large, wide wheels that handle sand and rough terrain well. The sturdy construction and generous capacity make it ideal for carrying beach gear. Number 1. Heavy-duty collapsible folding wagon cart. This wagon is built to last with a durable steel frame and reinforced fabric. It can handle heavy groceries, sports gear, beach supplies, or gardening tools without any issues, designed for frequent daily use. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to its upgraded oversized wheels. They offer excellent grip and stability on sand, grass, gravel, or pavement, making it perfect for all your outdoor adventures. With a spacious interior, it can accommodate coolers, sports equipment, shopping bags, and more. It's the ideal solution for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and weekend errands. This wagon features a quick pull collapse design that folds it flat in seconds, no tools required. It's easy to store in car trunks, garages, or closets, perfect for apartments and small spaces. It's a versatile helper for everything from grocery runs and beach days to sporting events and gardening. This sturdy and practical cart is ready for all-season outdoor use. What we like. With an impressive 150L capacity, this wagon is designed for those who need to carry a lot. It sets up and folds down in seconds without any tools, making it incredibly convenient for storage and transport. If you're looking for a spacious and effortlessly manageable wagon for frequent use, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This wagon is surprisingly spacious, easily fitting all our beach essentials. The wide wheels are a game changer, gliding smoothly over soft sand without sinking. It folds up compactly, making it convenient for storage and transport. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.